Now we're going to take a look at households. Why do we have household groups? Well, because many members of the same family live in the same house. And if one person moves and updates their address, we want that address to be updated for everyone in the same household. So we keep household groups for that purpose. Let's take a look at a household group. First, we'll start by adding one. And you can see the households we have here. So we'll add one here. And this takes from the names from the database. So we can make one from, let's see, Cecil LePage. Now this household group will have two groups underneath it, the head and the members. Now, of course, in this case, we'll have Cecil put in as the head. So let's scroll down a little bit and find Cecil LePage and drag him in as head of the household. Now, the important thing is to understand the distinctions here between heads of household and members of the household. Heads of the household, depending on how you want to handle it, can be the mother and the father in the family. It could be the members as the children. But what it means on the database is that anyone who is a head of the family, when their address changes, it carries over to the members. But the reverse is not true. Members do not have their address carry over to the head of household. In fact, a change in the address of the members does not carry over at all. Let's look at an example here of the Mulqueens here. We could take a look at Abraham Mulqueen, and we'll just eliminate most of the address here. And that will update. And you can see even Abraham's address has not been changed, much less the heads of the household. However, if I were to change Timothy's address from 4th Street to 5th Street, and then we take a look at Gloria. Gloria is now 5th Street. Timothy is now 5th Street. And we look at the members. They're all 5th Street. And this is what a household group gets for you. It helps you to keep your addresses straightened out. It's also a way that you can keep track of who is in the same family.